Hey guys, this is a quick video on how to get Max Verstappen's 2026 F1 car in Assetto Corsa. And a quick disclaimer, I will be using a mod that costs money. First, open the link labeled car in the description. It should send you to the official Racing Studio page for the Formula Hybrid X 2026. It was just over £2 at the time of recording. Before installing mods though, I would recommend getting a software called Content Manager. As the name suggests, it is a piece of software that allows you to manage the contents of Assetto Corsa. It makes it so much easier to add mods, change settings, and access media, such as your lap times and replays. The installation is pretty straightforward, just follow the prompts that appear on the screen. Before we keep on going, like and subscribe if you like Assetto Corsa content. Next, open a link in the description labeled skin. Download the file from the website. The next step is installing the mods. You should have 3 files from the car mod and 1 skin file. Open a file for the skins and there should be a folder called skins. There should be 3 folders inside it. Next, drag the 3 car files in the 3 skins folders onto your desktop. Drag and drop the 6 files into Content Manager. Click on the icon with 3 lines in the corner and install the mods. Now change the car and skin to the ones you just installed. And there you have it, you should have Max Verstappen's 2026 F1 car in Assetto Corsa. That's it for this video, see you.